Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator French door spring. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new French door spring. The French door spring holds the French door in the correct position. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the left door. Once you have the door open, we're going to flip the French door open. Then you can see the French door spring here mounted at the bottom. It just goes into these holes right here on the door and on the French door. So we're going to lift up and take this one out first. Once you have it free, we can drop the one off the French door down. You want to make sure you don't lose the sleeve. Pull that off and set it aside. Once you have the spring free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old French door spring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new French door spring in, we're going to put it in position just like the old one. And you can set the sleeve onto it. Then we can lift that end in. Once you have this side on, we can lift up the other side and set it in its hole. Once you have the part installed, we can close the French door and then the refrigerator door. Once you have the door closed, you can plug it back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.